Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will talk about the problem and the solution which are facing by Android users. They are unable to send the text messages and they are not even receiving any text messages. Viewers, this problem got started in the last week of November after getting an update of Google Carrier. Some users complain that they are unable to receive and text messages entirely, whereas some users are saying they are able to receive the text messages and even they are sending the text messages, but it's very late. Viewers, this is not about just only manufacturer. So what is the solution of this problem? First solution is you can uninstall an app, get Google Carrier, but before uninstalling this app, keep in mind this app is responsible for other tasks as well. So after uninstalling this app, you may face another issues as well. The second solution of this app is just you need to go to the settings and open the app information. After opening app info, just click on uninstall the updates. After this, it will uninstall the updates which are installed by you recently in the last week of November. So hopefully after this you will not face any kind of this issue. But if you are not sending text messages like so frequently and urgent text messages, so it's wiser don't do anything. If you have already updated, don't uninstall this app, don't uninstall any updates, just wait for the next version when it will come. So hopefully in the next version you will not face this problem. Viewers, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will keep you updated. Thank you.